Welcome to this tutorial on switching back to the classic WordPress editor in just 5 minutes. In this guide you will learn how to make this change quickly and efficiently using a series of clear steps. To begin the process, start by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. Once you have loaded the site, direct your attention to the top right corner of the home page where you will see the login option. Clicking on this login option allows you to enter your account credentials and gain secure access to manage your website. After clicking login, a few options appear for signing into your account. One of these options is to continue with your Google account. Select the Continue with Google button and choose the account you wish to use. Using your Google account for authentication helps streamline the process and ensures that you are accessing your site with the correct credentials. This choice is particularly advantageous if you often use your Google account for various services. Having successfully logged in with your chosen account, the next step is to find and access the settings page. The settings area is the hub for configuring many aspects of your WordPress site. From here you can tailor your experience to suit your preferences, which in this case includes reverting to the classic editor. Simply navigate through the interface until you find the appropriate settings section. The settings page is designed with user friendliness in mind, making it straightforward to locate the necessary controls. Upon reaching the settings area, you need to look for the section labeled Admin Interface Style. This section is dedicated to changing the look and behavior of your WordPress backend. It offers options for different user interface designs so that you can choose the one that best fits your workflow. In this tutorial, you want to revert to the classic style, which many users prefer for its familiarity and ease of use. Once you have located the Admin Interface Style section, the next action is to select the Classic Style option. Choosing the classic style restores the traditional editing setup that you may remember from earlier versions of WordPress. This layout is appreciated by users who are accustomed to a straightforward and less cluttered editing environment. The classic style offers a simpler editing workflow that helps you focus on content creation rather than adapting to newer layouts. After you have selected the classic style, the final instruction is to confirm your changes by clicking on the Save Changes button. Saving the changes is a critical step in ensuring that the classic editor is activated and remains the default interface for future sessions. Once your changes are saved, WordPress will apply the classic interface to the admin area, and all future editing tasks will be performed using the traditional layout. This tutorial has walked you through every step necessary to switch back to the traditional WordPress editor. By starting at the WordPress homepage, logging in via the top right corner, utilizing your Google account for a simple login process, navigating through settings, selecting the admin interface style, choosing the classic style, and finally saving your changes, you have successfully updated your editor in under 5 minutes. Enjoy working with your familiar classic editor as you continue to create and manage your content seamlessly.